Hi, it's Susan Bruck, and I have something a little different to share with you today. I'm going to show you my new favorite kind of paper airplane to make. I've been making these mostly for the 5 year olds at the summer camp that I am teaching at. We've been making them in the afternoon. I found that the 5 year olds at least can't really make them all that well. They can help doing the creases and stuff, but the ones that I've tried it with have not been able to actually do it to make an airplane that flies. So you can try it. I think maybe if they were just a little bit older, maybe 6 or 7 year olds would be able to do it. You can always give it a try, but they've been having a really good time with these airplanes, just running around and throwing them and playing with them for a really long time. So I thought I would show you. I learned how to make these from one of the teachers at school, and I think they're really cool. So here we go. Oops, that's my lens cap. Let's see if I can get that out of the way. Okay, so, and also I've been making them with just with regular printer paper, but I started making some with construction paper, and actually the construction paper works really well. So just for demonstration purposes, I colored the side with gray and pink so you can see it a little better, and I'll show you how it goes. So first you fold the top corners down so that they meet in the middle in a straight line, a straightish line at least, like that. And then this gets folded over, so it kind of looks like an envelope at this point. It doesn't feel so good. The crayon part doesn't feel so good. Now this is what I think is the tricky part. So you take these two corners and you fold them over so that they meet, and you want to try and kind of make them so that the center of them is right above the little beak here. So that looks about right. And then crease that. And I found that for the little ones, even just like learning how to make a crease can be a little tricky. So if you want to have them work with you, they can make the creases themselves. And this is about 8.5 by 11. It's probably a little bit off from that because I cut a big piece of construction paper in half. So you've got that folded over, and then you take this little beak, at least that's what it looks like to me, and fold it up and crease it. And so all of this stuff needs to be creased to work. So there we go. We've got this far, and then I'm going to fold this in half with the beak part on the outside. Oops, sorry. With the beak part on the outside, it's now folded in half. And then the last step is to fold this down, so starting over here and making it even along here, like that, and do the same thing on the other side, like that. And these guys actually fly pretty well. So there you have it, and have fun with it. I will try and add on my blog some step-by-step photos so you could see it a little better. But I think this is a really cool airplane, and I like that there's this little part here, the little beaky part that you can hold on to. So happy airplane making and happy airplane flying. See you next time. So long. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week. Thanks for watching.